More than half of today's millionaires all over the world have at least 50% of their wealth in cryptocurrencies. As many as 83% of all millionaires millennials keep at least some of their assets in crypto. Really, tell me, where have I been and what the have I been doing? Most importantly, despite of the recent price drops, the millennials are planning to put in even more money into crypto this year. Huh? What about you, huh? Of course, you can lose some money, but one thing is sure. Cryptocurrencies are hell of a possibility to increase your wealth. I go by the name Mobs, this is Talk and Roll, and in today's episode, 10 reasons to invest in crypto in 2022. Let's go! Before we start, I will really appreciate you subscribing to this channel, and remember, when we reach 10k, okay, 10k subscribers, I will do a nice giveaway. Number 1, portfolio diversification. By portfolio, I mean the whole collection of your investments and savings. It is quite important to keep them in different places. You know what I mean? A little bit of cash, gold, maybe some stocks, I don't know, a flat would be perfect, and cryptocurrencies as well. You know, if something goes wrong, you still have some options that are still working. Diversification is a perfect and excellent method to reduce the risk. Cryptocurrencies are censorship resistant. Hello YouTube. They cannot be actually banned or controlled by the government. Number 3, blockchain is the technology of the future. You can't argue with that. Blockchain is the biggest invention in the internet world since they actually turned on the internet. If you want to be ahead of others, maybe it's a good idea to get familiar at least with the basics. You don't want to be a digital analphabet, do you? The technology has a great potential of further development. Remember that we are still at the very early stage of the market and early stage of development of the technology, which has got wide applications, medical industry, entertainment, finances. I made a separate episode about this. Check the playlist. The share of the cryptocurrencies in usual and normal payments and transactions are still growing. Look, only 8.3% people in the whole world has got some cryptocurrencies. Trust me, it's not too late. A lot of money and advanced technology. You don't need both. You only need the necessary minimum. Low entry threshold and low fees. On most exchanges, you can start trading only with few dollars, and in addition, the fees are really low. On the other hand, we've got those traditional exchanges where all those fees are set by the people above, Illuminati. On the crypto market, the fees are set by its users, so it's logical that all those people, all those users in the crypto community want to keep them as low as possible. Inflation, or should I say, no inflation. At the time when the inflation devours our savings, maybe it's not a bad idea to look for some places resistant to inflation where you can put your hard-earned money. High market liquidity equals quick solvency. It means that buying and selling cryptocurrencies is super quick and super easy. What amazing! Easy like number 7. Simplicity and easy access to all the information that you need. Nowadays, it's very easy to find valuable information, valuable guides, YouTube tutorials that are absolutely free, like this channel. And the purchase process of every cryptocurrency is really as easy as finding those information. Yeah, easy. We will cover that topic in another video. Independence. No one controls your money. I love this. Cryptocurrencies are not dependent on banks that, for example, take exorbitant fees for even storing your money. I mean, what the f***? They storing my money, which allows them to make even more money with it, and yet still I have to pay for storing my money. Story time. I'm living in Poland, which is next to Ukraine. When the war started, it was impossible to take out money from ATMs or banks. They were all empty. No cash at all. Guys, I wasn't able to put out my savings in euro for over a week. Over a week! my own money. But lucky for me, in my city, in the mall, there is a Bitcoin ATM and a Bitcoin kiosk exchange where I was able to take out as much money as I wanted. Yeah, and I closed my bank account at the same day. And due to all those errors and flaws in the traditional banking, more and more people are looking for some alternatives. Cryptocurrencies are one of them. And remember, the biggest banks in the US are working on implementing the blockchain technology into their system. Long-term store of value. Unlike fiat money, I'm not talking about money in a fiat car. This is how we call professionally normal money, like paper money, fiat money. There are 21 Bitcoins to be mined and non-single Satoshi more. And what is Satoshi? I told you already. Go and check other videos on this channel. You simply can't produce more tokens or Bitcoins. That is why its value is still growing. So inflation is not possible here as it is when it goes to paper cash. See the case of Venezuela. It provides access to trading 24/7, wherever you want, no matter the time and the place. The only thing you need is a smartphone and internet access. Thanks for watching, guys. I would really appreciate you subscribing to our channel, and don't forget to hit the comment section down below. Let me know in which cryptocurrencies are you investing, or maybe you are still planning to invest, or maybe you have a funny story with your local bank. I hope not. I hope everything goes well in your world. And please remember, cryptocurrencies are still a new technology, and maybe expanding your wallet, your portfolio with cryptocurrencies would be the best decision that you ever made. And remember, cold-blooded, no emotions involved, cold-blooded, be smart. At the end of the day, it's your hard-earned money. Have a nice day. Essa!